Rev your gear. Have no fear. Auto expert Barry Wilson is here.
Well, the mercury's on the rise, and that's causing problems for some folks out on the road. We just saw a live look, and Barry Wilson from Wilson Auto Repairs here with his gorgeous daughter, Lori. Good to see you again. You're going to help us talk about cars and how we should know when they're too hot, right? Let's ask your dad all about it. You want to watch the temperature gauge. That's
First of all, Lori's the only one in my family with any car sense, so, you know, I can bring her down here and she can help me.
Good.
All right, we're talking about if your car, if you're in a line, say a carpool line, or you're sitting on the freeway, and you want to know if you should turn your air conditioning off or if your car's overheating, there's three things that are pretty important to think about. Number one, you want to be sure that you have enough antifreeze, and you'll notice on the antifreeze jug right here that it says it takes your boiling point up to about 276 degrees, and boiling's at 212. So making sure you have plenty of antifreeze is real important, and it's a real simple thing to do. You can just look in your plastic reservoir and make sure that it looks green, because antifreeze is green. On the newer cars, it's kind of a tinted orange.
Is there a good rule of thumb, though, for moms who are waiting in this carpool line? No longer than?
Well, it really is. It doesn't matter as long as you observe your temperature gauge here and it reads normal. When the temperature gauge starts to go up, then you need to shut your car off and turn your air conditioning off.
Yes,
right.
All right.
Now, the other thing that's extremely important is airflow across the radiator, and most of the cars like this van have an electric fan, and there's a real simple thing, and that's why I brought Lori along. Lori, do your demonstration here.
This is a good little trick, actually.
The fan is on this car, and so you can stick a piece of paper up there, and if it holds the paper up there, you'll note that the fan is drawing air through the radiator, so you don't have to be a genius or a mechanic. You can just look at that and tell, and that would help you know if your fans are on. They should be on when your air conditioning's on. They may delay for 30 seconds and then come on, but they need to be on while you're running the car.
That's a good thing to check. Any other issues we should be aware of in these hot temperatures?
Well, no, I think the main thing is to be sure you have plenty of coolant in your radiator and your overflow jug. Do not remove your radiator cap if your car gets hot. Just let it sit there and cool down. It's not going to do any good to take your cap off while it's sitting there overheating.
All right, good advice as always.